Good morning. Thank you so much for having me on your show. I think probably the best and the easiest way to explain the importance of this case and why it was brought is currently South Africa is known for having among the highest rates of GBV in the world. And I think probably what the public doesn't really know is that our conviction rates in terms of rape sit at about 1%. When compared to the number of rapes that are reported to SAPS annually. So you have approximately 40,000 rapes reported to SAPS, but you have a conviction rate of just a few thousand. These conviction rates are often reflected by the NPA as being a lot higher because they base it on a completely different performance metric, but that's how abysmal our rape conviction rates are at the moment. And this, for me in particular, as the director of the Embrace Project, was highlighted when a rape survivor, who is the second applicant in our constitutional court litigation, approached us and told us about her case. She told us that in her case, she was one of the lucky few rape survivors who managed to have her case prosecuted before a magistrate. And in her case, the magistrate found that there was unlawful sexual penetration without her consent, but where the magistrate just could not come to a conviction was because she found that even though the accused person was just not a credible witness, she could not find that he subjectively did not believe that the rape survivor had given him consent, because the rape survivor in this instance, like in most instances of rape, froze. She didn't outwardly resist. And that has been probably the biggest barrier to rape convictions for the state. And that's what we're trying to change.
That barrier is that the victim could have tried harder to resist. Has that been their biggest barrier?
Absolutely. I mean, we're not even talking about, yeah, it is. We're not even talking about what victims face when they approach SAPS to just try and register or try to open up a case, the comments that they receive from SAPS. So they have gone through so many barriers by the time that they reach court.